How to create a portfolio website for graphic design. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own portfolio website for your graphic design portfolio. So let's get into it. Now, there are many different ways that you can use different website builders to create your portfolio, but the one that I'm going to be using today is going to be Wix, and there are a couple of reasons for that. First off, Wix enables you to have a whole lot of variety of templates that you can pick out from, and secondly, Wix is super customizable. If I was to compare it with Google Sites, another great and amazing website or portfolio builder, it is amazing, but the issue with a portfolio builder like this is that it does not allow you a lot of customization or a lot of, intense design elements that you can add, but Wix allows you to really customize the look. So that is why we're going to continue with Wix. And you're just going to create your account on Wix via your email address. And once you do that, you're going to click on create new site over here. And once you click on create new site, you're going to choose the Wix platform. It's unlikely they will ask you this question unless you have the Wix Editor X installed, but sometimes they do. And then you're going to add what kind of website you're looking to create. So you can just add portfolio and you can click on next, and this will better help Wix optimize the template results that they give you. So after that, you can add a couple of different basic features that you might require for your website. So if you have anything like that, then you can add them over here. Let's say you want to add your Instagram feed and that's around it. So you can just click on next so that Wix can recommend you templates that have those features. Now, there are two routes that you can go down with after that. You can use the Wix ADI to create the website for you, in which you will just have to answer a couple of questions and then the website will be designed for you. Or you can go with the create your website with the editor, where you will get multiple different template options, thousands of different template options, honestly. And you can even take a simple layout or a simple start from scratch canvas and get started with creating your own website. So we're just going to click on edit a template because this will allow you a lot more customization and it allows a lot more control on the kind of website that you're looking to create. Now, once you do that, you can take a look at the different templates that are available. There are so many, even graphic designer templates for portfolios, food portfolios. So you can just even search for graphic designer and find multiple different templates that are for a portfolio for a graphic designer. So you really don't even have to do like the basic effort. You can even find like something exactly that would fit your job description or that would fit your needs. So let's say I am going to continue with the template, or if you don't want to continue with any of these templates, you can just click on blank templates over here, and then you can pick out any of these basic layouts or a empty canvas to get started. But we're going to go back into our template section, and I'm just going to search for a portfolio. So in the portfolio, I'm just going to take this template, the graphic designer template, and I'm going to click on edit over here. And this will open up the Wix website editor where we will begin actually designing our portfolio website. So let's get into it. Now, it might take a couple of seconds for the website editor to load. So don't worry about that because it is quite a heavy website editor. So it just takes a few seconds to show up on your screen and to load the template. Now, once your template is loaded, you can see on your left, you will have your navigation panel where you will find all of your tools. And then on your top left, you have the pages that are available in your template or in your website. If it's a template, obviously it already has the pages. If it's a simple minimal template, then you will not have any pages, and then you can begin creating your own pages. And on your top over here, you have your preview. So if you want to change it to a mobile preview, you can do that as well. Now, to get started with actually customizing our template, what you're going to do is first off, you can just click on any of the elements like the website name. We're just going to click on this basic text over here, and we're going to enter our name, Jane Doe, and then graphic design portfolio. I think this looks good. And then below that, let's say if I want to change these images over here, what I can do is I can just click on manage media. And what this basically is that this is a grid gallery by Wix, and I can just click on change media. So I'm just going to select all and then click on delete, and then I'm going to click on add media, and then you can upload your own images onto Wix, or you can even use the media from Wix or Shutterstock or Unsplash to get royalty-free images. So I'm just going to search for illustration, and I'm just, taking a few random illustrations off the internet. You can obviously be uploading your own art and your own work, but we're just going to take some royalty-free images that we can find. And I'm just going to take these two and I'm going to click on done over here. And now these images will be replaced by the two images that I added. Obviously, with your portfolio, you can add more images. Obviously, if you have like a very vast categorization of work, you can add separate pages with the work categorizations as well. Now, on your left, you have the add section where you can add different things from text, images, buttons, galleries, and all that stuff. Below that, you have your menus and pages, and you can see this is our basic homepage, and you can see all of these like hidden pages. These are basically sub pages within the main header, but I want to remove all of these excess pages. So I don't want the blog section. I'm going to click on delete. I don't want the book online section as well, so I'm going to click on delete. And then I'm going to delete all of these sub pages that are, portfolio works because I don't need those. And you can just click on delete like so. With any kind of template, you can just delete any of the pages that you don't want and then customize the ones that you find would be fitting for your portfolio. So we are just going to remove all of these from here. And then what you're going to do is once you have like designed your homepage, you can just click on the page and then go into your about section. And then we're just going to click on the image, click on change image, and then you will upload your own file. I'm just going to go with media from Wix, and I'm just going to use this image as just like an example. And then you can just click on the text, and then you can edit your own text. If you want to add like a certain button to add, references or something like that, what you can do is you can click on add over here, go into this basic button, and then you can drop it over here, and then you can click on change text and icon, and you could say this could be popular work or bestseller, like anything you want to link to your portfolio like this. I'm going to add best-selling work, and then you're going to click on add link, and then you're going to change this to a web address, and then you can just paste this web address, whatever kind of web address it might be. I'm just going to copy paste this random web address over here, but you're going to paste your actual web address that you want to link on your portfolio. And then let's say I have these 3 basic pages, but I want to create more pages on my portfolio. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into menus and pages, and I'm going to click on add page, and then I have different pages I can add. So you can see on your left, you have store, bookings, blogs, dynamic pages, you have services, contact, general, error page, landing pages. So I'm just going to click on blank page, and I'm going to add a blank new page, and I can rename this into my work. I'm going to just click on done, and then in my work section I can click on add, and then I can click on gallery, and then I can add one of these Wix grid galleries and then upload my work images over here with links as well. So to add links, you can just add a grid, and then whenever you add a grid like this, to add a link, you can click on manage media, or you can just click on settings, and we're going to go into our settings. So when clicking on an item, a link opens, and then you can just add the link of the item onto the grid, and in that way all of your work will be linked as well. So once you have finished designing all of these aspects, you're just going to click on publish over here on the top right, and once you click on publish, you can just click on view site. And now your Wix website is ready. So you can click on my work, and this is our portfolio. And then if we go on to the about section, we have our best-selling work, we have the image, we have all of this. You can just click on this and this will open up the random links that I added. And you can just make your own portfolio so easily and simply for any kind of job that you have for a graphic design or anything else using Wix. And once your website is created, you can just go back onto your My Sites dashboard, and you can see our website is live. And then you can click on this as well to later on edit it further, or click on select site to manage your website via the Wix website management dashboard. So this is going to be your management dashboard where you can find different things like your subscriptions, communications, automations, SEOs, analytics and reports, and so much more. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you have any questions regarding Wix or how to build your own portfolio using Wix, leave them in the comment box down below and I will make sure to answer them. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like, and for more content like this, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.